Day 6, finding the present moment. As you're aware, this challenge is about getting yourself still, relaxed, calm and comfortable. So all I want you to do, with your eyes open this time, is just take a deep breath in and just stare at something, one object that is completely still in the center or in the corner of your room. Take a deep breath in, keeping completely focused as you breathe out and let go. As you focus more intently on this thing, this object in your room, keep focused, breathe in and breathe out, completely focused and letting go. And you may begin to feel your eyelids becoming heavier and they may start to blink. Now, as you take a final deep breath in, focusing your intention on that one thing, and as you breathe out, just let your eyes become heavier and heavier as they choose to close down now. Let your mind, let your body drift off, float off into deep relaxation and hypnosis. The longer these videos are able to go for, the deeper you will be able to go. The more time you have to relax now. At parts of these videos I may begin to be a bit more silent, and in that silence, as you listen to the music, all I want you to do is just find the present moment. Now that your eyes are closed, all I want you to do is just imagine a hypnotic 3-step staircase situated right in front of you. When I count from 3 to 1, you will feel yourself relaxing deeper with every number. Can you imagine yourself stepping down the stairs as I count down and really feel yourself relaxing even deeper now? Starting with 3, as you relax your mind, your body just relaxes. Now down to 2, can you feel that hypnosis running through every nerve, muscle and fibre of your body? Down to 1, completely relaxed now. As you find yourself in this present moment, all I want you to do is just focus on that blackness behind your eyelids, that void, that present space and moment. Feel the energy that is situated all around you, the space, the empty space that is all around you. And if your mind begins to wander, bring it back to the present moment by focusing on the blackness. How far does it go? Where does it start? Does it even stop? Because when you find this present moment, this is disconnecting you from the physical world and bringing you into the energy world. And in order to make these shifts and changes in your life, to make you master your mind in 30 days, you must come at it from a whole new level of being. And the fastest way to change is to change your energy. Because when you change your energy, you change yourself. doing perfect. And if your mind does begin to wander, just bring it back to the blackness, the darkness, the space, the empty space that is all around you. Just feeling whatever it is that you need to and want to feel. Maybe after the previous days, there's still some stuff, some emotions that you want to let go of now. And if there is, I just invite you to release it all now. Emptying it out, removing that energy, let it go now. How does it feel to be completely present in the moment? Not focusing on what was. If you've let that all go now, and not even focusing on what could be, but just focusing on what is. And although this is a short meditation, a short hypnosis, you may find yourself coming back to this one specifically just to be present, just to feel gratitude for the moment. And just for the next minute or so, as I stay completely silent, just think of 2 things you can be grateful for. I'll prompt you when you can move on to the next. And now that you're feeling that intense gratitude, focus on the second thing you can be completely and fully grateful for. And as we bring today's meditation and hypnosis to an end, just be wary of what you're focusing on today, and ensure that you're focusing on the present moment whenever you begin to lose it, and what you are grateful for. Opening your eyes whenever you feel like you're ready and you've done enough. I'll see you tomorrow.